Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button. So today I'm gonna do something crazy. Look, this hurt me more than it hurt you, okay? I Since I bought this bike until now, I never dropped the bike before. I never lay it down. I'm very careful. Never lay it down before, so I don't even know how to pick this thing up. Now I'm a very small guy, 125 pounds. This thing is almost 470 pounds, somewhere 470 or to 500. So like I said, I just lay this down. This is the first time I lay it down and it hurt me, okay? Because I was worried something is broke or not. So it's crazy. But I finally laid it down as best I could. Okay, so now we just gonna try and pick this up. Because really, I really need to practice this. Just in case. Because you never know. On these days, always going down. So let's try to pick this thing up. So hopefully everything go well. So what I have learned is, what you want to do is you want to tie your handbrake, your front brake. So tie that up. Put the kickstand down. And then make sure it's in first gear. So hopefully that's in first gear. And that's your first thing you need to do. Okay. Man, see my baby went down like this. It hurt. Okay, so doing this video is really give me a little bit of stress. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to try and pick this up. Like I said, this is my first time, so I do not know how it go, but we will see. All right. So let's do this. Let me set up the camera and let's see how this go. Hopefully everything go well. Okay, really straight up. There you go. That's perfect. Okay, let's get started. Okay, hopefully I don't hurt my back doing this, but let's see how it go. So what I learned is, so you're supposed to follow your handlebar this way, so you can pull it up like this. I'm a very short guy. Let's see how I'm gonna pick this up. So I think what I know is you lean down like this. You hold one this side right here, and you're trying to walk up. So look up like this, and trying to walk up. Okay. So there you go. That's the first thing. There you go. Okay. So there you go. Now you can hold this. Turn around. Straight up. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. First try. Oh my God. First try. Worked out great. My back is not hurting. Maybe my technique need a little work. But there you go. It went up. Oh my God. That thing is heavy. And when I pick it up, I kind of afraid that if I do it too strong or maybe I push it too much, I'm afraid this thing gonna fall over, and because of his weight, I'm gonna lose control of it. But oh my god, it turned out to be fine. So there you go. So make sure you look up. What I learned is you look up, you use your leg only, and your hand just stay there and just like a grip. And you just trying to push your leg up. And then the more you look up, the more you kind of lean back into the seat itself right here. You're trying to lean back on there, and you're trying to use your leg muscle and kind of your bottom just to do at the same time, trying to push it up. And it worked. I can't believe it worked. But you know, that's the first try and it worked out pretty well. So hopefully the second try is even better. So now I know that technique does work. And maybe my height is also helping because I don't have to like lean, crawl down a little bit. Like if you're a taller person, then you might have to kind of sit auto straight down because this bike is pretty low. So maybe my height advantage or help me out a little bit. But let me tell you, this thing is super heavy. And if I never try it, if you own your first bike or if you own a new bike, you should try to pick it up at least once so you know what is going on. So later on, when you actually have the problem somewhere, you actually already have a little experience or a little technique in there already. So, but overall, it's great. I feel so great. I feel super tired, but I feel great that I actually did it. I actually try it out. So if you don't try it out, how you know, right? Don't wait until something already happened, then you start doing your training while you are at the accident scene. So rather do it at home in a safety environment. Your bike will thank you when you know accident occur. So and then you also build confidence too that you can do it. So a little confidence and a little technique, and it worked out great. Oh my god. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys find it useful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.